Alright. So 2 bucks. E-bike mid-drive motor. So this is the project. So 26 aluminum frame, 1:10 speed, e-bike conversion. So lagyan natin ng mid-drive motor. Ito. Replace natin to yung chainring, and we'll maintain the V-brake na mga cable. Okay. So, project. First is baklasin natin yung crank. Ano? Crank. Gamitin mo.